Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how can we solve linear programming problem using Simplex using an online tool. So you see the online tool. I just have to type the equation, type the objective function and the constraints here, and it will give me the solution. For example, I have a linear programming problem. Maximize p equal to half x plus 3y plus z plus 4w subject to x plus y plus z plus w is less than or equal to 40. Another constraint 2x plus y minus z minus w is greater than or equal 10. W minus y is greater than or equal 10. Okay, let's solve it. After clicking the solve button, it will show all the simplex tables before it reaches the maximum value. As we have seen, in the fourth simplex table it has reached the maximum value. How we understand that it has reached maximum value? See, the simple way to understand. See, in table 1 and table 2, these are minus, these are negative. Minus 0.5, minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. In table 2, this is 0, but this 3 are minus. This is also minus. In table 3, last row has minus values. But in table 4, there is no negative term in the last row. So we are sure that this row ensures maximum value of objective function. So the maximum value of objective function is 115 at x equal to 10, y equal to 10, z equal to 0, w equal to 20. How can we get these values? If we look at the last simplex table, we will see in the x variable column there is 1 at second row and all other row has 0. So the value of x is go this way, go this way. In the last column there is 10. So the value of x is 10. Consider y column. It has 1 in the first row. All other rows are 0 in this column. So go this way, the value of y is 0. And consider z. It doesn't have 1 in any of the rows and all other rows also have non-zero values. So the value of z is 0. Consider w. It has 1 in third row and all other rows have 0. So the value of w is go this way. The value of in the last column, the value of w is 20. S1 doesn't have 0 in any of the row. So value of S1 is also 0. Similarly, value of S2 is also 0. Value of S3 is also 0. And what is the value of our p, the objective function? P has 1 in the last row. So the value of p is 115. This is our objective function and this is the maximum value. If we make further simplex table, table 5, we will see that we are not being able to increase the value of p. So this is a nice tool to solve. This is a nice tool actually to solve linear programming problem online. If you need quick solution, you can use this tool to solve your linear programming problem. Let's try a simple problem. Maybe 3x plus 4y. I want to maximize 3x plus 4y so that x plus y is less than or equal to 10. X minus y is less than or 5. Maybe. Let's try. Okay. The value of p is 40. The maximum value of objective function p is 40 at x equal to 0, y equal to 10. Okay, and it also meets all the constraints. You can use graphical tool to check that the results returned by this tool is correct. Thanks. And in some of the other tutorial I will show the simplex method, simplex algorithm in details. Thanks again.